Have you heard of Bitcoin? It's a term that's been buzzing around for quite some time now, and for good reason. It's a new kind of money that's changing how we think about finance. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain, which ensures transparency and security. Unlike the money in your pocket, Bitcoin is digital. It exists only online. This means you can send and receive it anywhere in the world without the need for physical cash. This might sound strange, but it's simpler than you think. With just a few clicks, you can own a piece of this revolutionary currency. Bitcoin is making waves because it's not controlled by any government or bank. This independence is one of its most attractive features. It's decentralized, meaning it belongs to everyone who uses it. This decentralization ensures that no single entity has control over the entire network. This independence gives Bitcoin unique advantages and has captured the attention of investors worldwide. People are intrigued by its potential to reshape the financial landscape. This guide will explain everything you need to know about Bitcoin. From its origins to its current status, we'll cover it all. We'll cover the basics, how to buy it, and the risks and rewards of investing. You'll learn about the technology behind it and why it's considered a groundbreaking innovation. Whether you're completely new to Bitcoin or want a refresher, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of Bitcoin together. Imagine a digital ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction ever made. This ledger is not just any ordinary record, it is a revolutionary technology that has transformed the way we think about money and transactions. This ledger is called the blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that is maintained by a network of computers, known as nodes, all around the world. It's like a giant public book that everyone can see, but no one can alter. Each page in this book is a block, and each block is linked to the previous one, forming a chain. This is why it's called a blockchain. This makes Bitcoin transactions transparent and secure. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, which means it is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. This means it uses cryptography, like secret codes, to keep transactions safe. Cryptography ensures that only the intended recipient can read the information, making it nearly impossible for anyone to tamper with the transactions. When you send Bitcoin, it's like sending a digital coin that can be tracked on the blockchain. Each transaction is verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in the blockchain. But here's where it gets really interesting. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin operates without a central authority or banks. Bitcoin isn't printed by governments. Instead, it is created and managed by its users through a process that ensures fairness and transparency. Instead, it's created through a process called mining. Mining involves powerful computers solving complex mathematical problems. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex math problems, and in return, they get rewarded with new Bitcoins. This process not only creates new Bitcoins but also helps to secure the network and verify transactions. This unique system ensures that Bitcoin is scarce. Unlike traditional currencies that can be printed in unlimited quantities, Bitcoin has a fixed supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This limited supply is built into the Bitcoin protocol and cannot be changed. This limited supply is one reason why some people believe Bitcoin is a good investment. As demand for Bitcoin increases and the supply remains fixed, the value of Bitcoin could potentially rise over time. Additionally, Bitcoin is increasingly being accepted as a form of payment by businesses and individuals around the world. This growing acceptance further enhances its value and utility. As more people and businesses adopt Bitcoin, its network effect strengthens, making it more valuable and widely used. Bitcoin represents a new era of digital currency that is decentralized, secure, and transparent. Think of Bitcoin like sending an email. You need an email address to receive messages, right? With Bitcoin, you need a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is like a digital bank account. It allows you to send, receive, and store your Bitcoin. You can get a Bitcoin wallet on your phone or computer. Now let's talk about mining again. Remember those miners solving math problems? They're not just doing it for fun. They're actually verifying and adding new transactions to the blockchain. This process is crucial because it ensures that no one can cheat the system. Each block of transactions is linked to the previous one, creating a secure chain of information. Ready to get started with Bitcoin? The easiest way to buy Bitcoin is through a cryptocurrency exchange. Exchanges are like online marketplaces for Bitcoin. You can create an account, connect your bank account, and start buying Bitcoin instantly. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Once you've bought Bitcoin, it's essential to keep it safe. Remember those Bitcoin wallets we talked about? That's where you'll store your Bitcoin. It's crucial to choose a reputable wallet and keep your private keys safe. Your private keys are like the password to your Bitcoin wallet. If someone gets access to your private keys, they can steal your Bitcoin. Section 5. Investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin has become a popular investment, and for a good reason. Since its inception, Bitcoin has captured the imagination of investors worldwide. Its decentralized nature and potential for high returns have made it a sought-after asset. Its price has skyrocketed over the years, making early investors very wealthy. For instance, those who invested in Bitcoin during its early days have seen returns that are almost unimaginable in traditional markets. However, investing in Bitcoin is not without risks. The cryptocurrency market is known for its extreme volatility, which can lead to significant financial losses if not approached with caution. Bitcoin's price is highly volatile, meaning it can go up or down quickly. This volatility can be attributed to various factors including market sentiment, regulatory news, and technological advancements. It's essential to understand the risks and invest only what you can afford to lose. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. One popular strategy is dollar-cost averaging. This approach involves investing a fixed amount of money in Bitcoin at regular intervals, regardless of the price, which can help mitigate the impact of market fluctuations. This means investing a fixed amount of money in Bitcoin at regular intervals, regardless of the price. Over time, this strategy can lead to a more stable investment portfolio. This approach helps to reduce the impact of volatility on your investment. By spreading out your investments, you can avoid the pitfalls of trying to time the market. Remember, investing in Bitcoin is a long-term game. Patience is key, as the market can experience significant ups and downs over short periods. Don't expect to get rich quick. The most successful investors are those who have a long-term perspective and are willing to weather the market's storms. Do your research, invest wisely, and be patient. Thorough research and a well-thought-out investment strategy can make all the difference in navigating the complexities of the Bitcoin market. Section 6. Bitcoin versus traditional currencies. What makes Bitcoin different from the US dollar or the euro? Traditional currencies are controlled by central banks. They can print more money whenever they want, which can lead to inflation. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is decentralized. No single entity controls it. Its supply is limited by code, making it resistant to inflation. Another key difference is that Bitcoin transactions are borderless. You can send Bitcoin to anyone in the world without going through a bank. This makes Bitcoin a powerful tool for international trade and remittances. However, Bitcoin is not without its drawbacks. Its price volatility and lack of widespread adoption make it less practical for everyday transactions than traditional currencies. Section 7. The future of Bitcoin. The future of Bitcoin is uncertain, but exciting. Some experts believe Bitcoin will become a global reserve currency, replacing the US dollar. Others see it as a store of value, like digital gold. One thing is for sure, Bitcoin has already disrupted the financial industry. It has paved the way for other cryptocurrencies and blockchain applications. As technology advances and more people adopt Bitcoin, its potential use cases will continue to grow. From payments and remittances to supply chain management and digital identity, Bitcoin is poised to revolutionize various industries. Section 8. Risks of investing in Bitcoin. While Bitcoin offers exciting opportunities, it's crucial to be aware of the risks. As mentioned earlier, Bitcoin's price is highly volatile. It can fluctuate wildly in short periods, leading to potential losses. The regulatory landscape surrounding Bitcoin is constantly evolving. Governments worldwide are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and changes in regulations can impact Bitcoin's price. Security is another concern. Hackers and scammers are attracted to the cryptocurrency space. It's vital to take precautions to secure your Bitcoin investments, such as using reputable exchanges and wallets and being wary of phishing attempts. Before investing in Bitcoin, do your research, understand the risks, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Section 9. Conclusion. Bitcoin is a revolutionary technology with the potential to transform the financial world as we know it. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and borderless transactions offer unique advantages over traditional currencies. While investing in Bitcoin can be lucrative, it's not without risks. Price volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and security concerns are all factors to consider. If you're considering investing in Bitcoin, do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The world of Bitcoin is constantly evolving, so stay informed and be prepared for a wild ride.